The Mailbox Top accessory is designed to be installed on a 42-inch 6x6 bollard. The mailbox and optional address plate ship fully assembled and ready to install. Once the 6x6 bollard has been installed, securing the top is as simple as tightening the included set screws to the bollard. The Nightscaping Mailbox Top accessory is rugged, durable, and makes a striking replacement to conventional mailboxes by day and night. Contact your local Nightscaping representative for more information, or you can visit us online at nightscapingusa.com.